Hey, what's up? Welcome back to What Kenny Do. We are coming at you live from the
Kenny Cove.
Kenny Cove. That's
the Quickie Mart.
Actually, that says Quickie Mart. We're not in the Kenny Cove. We lied.
I'm making soap with smock. 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 I'm making soap.
It has been 3 weeks. Wait, before we do that, we gotta thank everybody. So,
Yep.
Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click subscribe, like, follow, share, comment.
Do your thing.
Positive comments only, please. I don't want to have to get crazy on y'all. Thank you, seriously. 103 subscribers. That's awesome. But it has been 3 weeks, and we are in front of the Dude Soap. We got the Dude Soap here. Looks like chocolate bars to me. I'm getting hungry looking at it, but
I think it looks like Dookie.
Breadstick here is going to tell you all about what has happened over the last 3 weeks.
So let's lay it out. 3 weeks, we had some saponification. We talked about that last time.
Saponification.
Saponification.
Okay.
All right, so
SPONIFICYTION.
it's spelled out right here.
Yeah, because I think mine was wrong.
All right. Okay. We talked about saponification. Our lye is our reactive ingredient. Lye in its natural state is caustic.
Okay.
Now, when we mix that with the fats from our lard and our olive oil and everything we used last time, it reacts with that lye and makes it so that it's no longer caustic. It won't burn your skin. It can still clean it, and it does some other sciencey stuff, and you get the Dookie soap.
Some other sciencey stuff. That was real technical.
I don't have my lab coat on today.
Oh yeah, the lab coat. Don't
Yeah.
make me do that again.
That's the thing.
Well, it looks like chocolate bars to me. So what you're saying is 3 weeks ago, had we tried to use this, we would have burned our skin up.
Yeah, it's still been real caustic.
But after 3 weeks, we're good to go.
Now, we did super fat for safety.
What?
We added extra oils, right? So that there's no way there's any lye in here that has not been saponified.
Oh, okay.
So, if you don't know, when you're making soap, super fat for safety.
Super fat. This is kind of spongy. Is it supposed to be like that?
It's a little soft. We might have had too many drinks during the mixing of
Oh,
the
so
soap.
that was just something we did?
That's probably something we did, yeah. Mhm.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is, what, lather test?
Lather test.
We are going to try the soap out for you, so you know it's really soap.
We just happen to have a bowl of water.
It's the magic of Hollywood,
Yeah.
but there's a bowl of water there.
Just dumb luck. We keep random bowls around the Kenny Cove,
Yep, personal lubricant.
Personal lubricant. Yep.
I think they had too much personal lubricant.
It happens.
Okay, so we have the Dude Soap, the Man Sense actually. I forgot
Man
Man
Sense.
Sense. And we have good old-fashioned antibacterial Dial bar soap right here. Still in the package.
Can you say dial?
Dial.
It rhymes with rile.
That's the next video.
File.
Practice up.
I'm on it.
Speaking of which, in our next What Can He Do video, I'm going to be teaching Breadstick here how to rap.
Rap some business.
I kind of know how to rap a little bit, so I'm going to be teaching him.
Blue Smoke.
Blue Smoke Shop, Blue Smoke CD, shouting out a project from like 10 years ago.
Yep.
But that's impressive for Breadstick here because he's not a music guy. He knows two rappers, what, Jay-Z and Biggie?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Anybody else?
Tupac.
Is anybody else?
Eminem.
Eminem, okay,
Yep.
yeah. So we'll be doing that on the next What Can He Do. Make sure you tune in for that. That's probably going to be a hoot.
It's gonna be a hoot.
A hoot, as Brian Jones would say. Shout out Brian Jones.
And you'll give out a toot, Brian Jones.
You don't even know Brian Jones.
What? He still might want me to shout him out.
Oh, okay. Well, Brian Jones. This is Breadstick. Breadstick Brian Jones.
Nice to meet you, Brian Jones.
And we are planning. Okay, so who are we going to try out first? Try out, like, the dial first? Or should we try out the...
Let's do the dial.
Okay, let's do the dial first.
You lather your hands with the dial, and then I'll lather my hands with the vanilla poop soap, and we'll check out the lathers.
Okay, so we have just regular dial antibacterial soap. We're going to, I guess, do this number. Drop it in there. And
Yep, lather it up. Now the Dude Soap will take just a minute to catch a lather. Only on the first time. First time you use it, give it a minute, it'll start lathering up. Sometimes you get a little soda ash on the outside of it. You just got to get that rinsed off, and then you'll be lathering.
that's about what you expect, I guess, from dial soap.
Hold it up there.
Nice little lather. That was the dial soap, and it lathered up nicely. It smells like straight up soap.
No
It
smell.
smells like it's antibacterial, is what it smells like.
It smells the opposite of bacteria.
Okay, so now I'm going to let Breadstick do the Dude Soap. That's...
Oh, I'm about. That's Dookie. Sorry.
You got to wash your hands with Dookie.
All right, we're in here. All right, we're giving it I'm gonna give it a little go here. Take just a second. We'll get a little bit of lather build up.
Now, when you're starting off with soap that's homemade, it takes a minute for the lather. You already said that.
I did say that.
Okay, I'm gonna have a drink.
And we're going here, and we'll put this soap down. You can see that action. Yeah.
I'll tell you what, this smells pretty good from right here.
It's a good smell. Vanilla was. It's a good smell to pick. Not so much a good color. That really browned it up nicely.
Yeah, looks like a bar of chocolate to me.
Bam! Look at that.
So, not really as much lather, but
Definitely as much lather.
you think so?
Oh, it really just coats the skin.
Okay, so it's a soap. It's more of a coater.
Give it a try yourself. Give it a try. Break it in. Right there, man.
Okay, I got the dude soap. I'll tell you what, whoever cut that soap did an awesome job.
I thought so.
Those are pretty equal bars there.
The term #pro status came to mind.
I like it. Hashtag pro status.
Pro status.
Yeah, that's
Look at that. Hold him up there. That's what I'm telling you.
pretty good. That's not bad for the dude soap.
Yeah. Smells good.
That's lathery. I don't think you were rubbing vigorously enough.
Well, I'm not a vigorous rubber like you.
Oh my God, that's getting cut.
Keep it clean, people.
Keep it clean.
Keep it clean.
Alrighty, well, yep, that was the Dial soap and the Dude soap. I had a buddy of mine message me about using something else besides pig fat,
We got some questions.
because he ain't down with the swine, he ain't down with the pork.
We got some questions on that.
Yeah, so is there anything that people can use besides pig fat?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Any kind of oil, you can use fat from any kind of animal fat, whether it's a cow or a pig or anything like that. And there's tons of plant-based oils, sunflower seed oil, palm oil, although there are some endangered regions where they get palm oil. So maybe that's not the way to go.
Palm oil. I know a couple of people that could probably use some of that. Hey, I read somewhere you can use rabbit fat.
You can't use rabbit fat. You can use hemp oil.
But I'm telling you, that's going to have to be a fat rabbit for you to catch it and get its fat.
It's going to be a fabbit.
It's going to be a fat because I'm telling you, a regular rabbit, you ain't going to be using his fat.
I ain't going to be catching a regular rabbit.
Yeah. Okay. Well, is there anything else we need to cover about the soap?
I did. Well, we cleaned with it. It's soap. And,
Is there anything else we need to test? I'm not really too dirty.
I'm not dirty. Maybe your beard.
Wash my beard up?
Well, how's your beard smell?
I don't know.
I bet, beards are dirty.
Not good. Let me give this a shot. Okay. I'm going to wash the beard. The man beard with the man sense.
Do it. It's good for beards. Butt cracks,
Is it really?
armpits. That's a good lather.
Still good?
It's a good beard lather.
Yeah, I feel like it smells like vanilla now.
Yeah.
Am I all lathered up?
You're all lathered up.
Okay.
You want the towel?
I'll take the towel now. Dude soap smells pretty good. If you got 3 weeks to kill, and you got some pig fat and some lye, coconut oil,
Yeah.
and some
Olive oil.
and some
Water.
and a hand mixer
And a hand mixer.
and a bowl
And bowl.
and
A thermometer gun.
thermometer gun, fancy thermometer gun. You got that.
And some other bowls.
And personal lubricant.
Personal lubricant.
I don't have my glasses on. I'm sorry. Alrighty, that's about it for this episode of the two-part special of the Dude Soap, how to make soap here with Breadstick Ninja. As you can see, came out good, smells good, lathers up good.
Looks like Dookie.
Has my beard smelling good? Yeah, I think that was probably just the vanilla
I think it was too.
flavoring though, or scent.
Yeah. So
So if we used a different scent, it would have probably came out a different color.
yeah, the campfire comes out kind of beigey.
Okay. What do we have in this? In case they're wondering, like, how much it costs to make soap, how much for the actual ingredients?
Oh, this is, we used a few ounces. If you buy like a whole jug of coconut oil and a whole jug of palm, or olive oil and a big old tub of pig fat, you can have a little more in it, but you're only using a few ounces per batch. So if you buy all that stuff and you make it all up, you're probably talking $1.
In this one bar or in the whole batch?
Probably, you're only talking $4, maybe the whole batch, maybe a couple bucks in the whole batch.
A couple bucks in the whole batch?
I'm just guessing.
Yeah. Okay. We're just guessing. We don't really know, but
You saw what we used. Add it up and do the math. We don't have our lab coats on.
we don't have lab coats. I only have one, and we were fighting over it this week, so nobody wore it.
Nobody wore it.
So yeah, we appreciate you tuning in, checking out how to make soap. Our next video, like I said earlier, is going to be teaching Breadstick Ninja here how to bust a rhyme. You'll learn some hip hop history,
I got my rap hands
He's
now.
gonna learn some syllables. He's gonna learn how to do the rap hands. He's gonna learn how to dress. You wanna, because you got to dress.
Yeah,
you gotta dress hip hop and
Yeah,
I
you-
guess you ain't got to. You can do your own thing.
Well, you know, if you're going to do it, you got to go 100%.
And he's gonna have to learn probably some more rappers. You know, like 4.
Yeah, and some lingo.
He's gonna have to learn some lingo too.
Yeah, the
He
lingo.
knows like 4 words in the lingo.
What about dope?
That shit's dope.
About cool?
Cool, yes.
Cool.
Funky fresh.
That's
That's like 80s.
That makes me think of Will Smith.
That's like 80s hip hop. Shout out Will Smith.
If you're watching this, dude, I love you. I love you.
You are Funky Fresh. You are the Funky Fresh Prince. But yeah, tune in next time. What can he do? We'll be coming at you live from the Kenny Cove, and we're going to be teaching Smock here how to bust a 16. He probably doesn't even know what that means. You know what it means to bust 16?
No, but I can do this.
We'll catch you next time right here on What Can He Do. Peace!
If any of you guys got ideas, things you'd like to see us do, things you'd like to see us try, or things you'd like to see us learn, let us know.
Yeah, because apparently, according to YouTube, you're supposed to find a niche and stick to it. And I think our niche is going to be, we're not sticking to niches.
No, our niche is going to be trying new shit.
Niches end up in ditches. That's how I feel about it.
That was like, is that the stuff I'm going to be learning next week?
It could be. You never know.
Niches and ditches, that was what was
That's your
good.
opening line right there. Feel free to drop us a comment or a message or something. Let us know, hey, I want you guys to try skydiving. Or no, not skydiving. Don't.
No, we don't want to go up in the
I
air.
don't want to skydive, but if you have ideas, please feel free to send them to us, and we'll look them over. We're looking for show ideas. We've got plenty coming up, but we can always use some fresh ideas. And once again, thank you very much for tuning in.
Hey, I got one more thing to say.
Okay.
Riches rhymes with ditches.
Riches rhymes with ditches.
Glitches.
Glitches.
I'm out.
Thank you for tuning in. I am Kenny G, a.k.a. Milk, and this is my homie,
Breadstick Ninja.
82. And we'll holler at you later.
See you next time.
Peace.
Works good in here too. Dude, so don't get it in your eyes. Fuck!